Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the business banking services offered by PNC Bank. PNC Bank provides a comprehensive suite of banking and financial services tailored for businesses of all sizes, with a particular focus on small businesses. Business accounts. PNC offers several types of business checking accounts to meet different operational needs. Business checking for basic needs with fewer monthly transactions. Business checking plus for businesses with higher transaction volume. Treasury Enterprise Plan for businesses with high cash deposit and transaction needs. Analysis Business checking for businesses with complex banking needs who want to offset fees with an earnings credit. They also offer business savings and liquidity management accounts, including premium business money market accounts and certificates of deposit. Lending and credit. For financing, PNC provides various options. Business credit cards with rewards and low-rate options. Lines of credit, including unsecured and secured options, for flexible access to capital. Term loans for larger, one-time financing needs. Specialty loans such as SBA loans, commercial real estate loans, and business vehicle finance loans. Payment solutions. PNC's payment services help businesses manage money coming in and going out. Merchant services. PNC Merchant Services allow businesses to accept card payments both in person and online, with next business day funding available. This includes mobile card acceptance solutions like PNC Mobile Accept. Treasury management services help optimize cash flow, including managing receivables, payables, and liquidity. For larger businesses, they offer the pinnacle platform for sophisticated treasury management. Online and mobile banking for 24/7 account access, mobile check deposit, bill pay, and digital money transfers, including Zelle. Cash flow management tools. A notable service is Cash Flow Insight, a suite of online and mobile tools that helps businesses monitor, manage, and project their cash flow, including features for spend analysis, tracking payables, and managing receivables, with the ability to sync with various accounting software. Services for employees. PNC also offers financial services that businesses can provide to their employees, such as retirement plans, health savings accounts, HSAs. PNC Bank supports businesses with solutions for their day-to-day banking, financing growth, and managing complex financial operations. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.